Okay, we're into extract 1, question B. The question regarding intervals. As you'll know, that intervals is distance between two notes. So when we're counting intervals, the 5-line stuff, there's your starting point. It's a note G, interval between there to the next note up, which is in the space. So here's line, space. We count, this is 1, this is 2. So interval between G to A is what we call a second. This is called a quantity. Okay, so to get an achieved, all you need to do is get the quantity right. Merit in excellence, you need to get what we call quality. There's 3 types, maybe 4. Got major, minor, and perfect intervals. So, for example, major, we've got major second, major third, major sixth, major seventh. Minor, second, third, sixth, seventh. So you can see that second, third, sixth, and seventh, these are interchangeable between major interval and a minor interval. For perfect, these are either unison, or 1, fourth, fifth, and octave. We will talk about this a little bit later. But for this question, let's just see if we can actually answer this question. A vocalist would like to sing 2 notes at a different pitch to the original score in bars 19 and 20. Here's bar 19. Here's bar 20. Write the missing note for each bracketed interval on the staff below. Okay, so let's tackle this question. We have to use a crotchet, or we call a quarter note. This is a crotchet. A minor third higher than the first note of bracket 1. So here's our bracket 1, and here's our first note, and this note has to be a third higher than this note, which is an E. Okay, so simply put, if you just wrote, okay, that's my 1, 2, 3, third step up, and we have to use this one with a tail. No, it's the stem. So there you go. Second question, we have to use a minim, which is what we call a half note. So this is a quarter note, this is a half note. And we have to put this up a fifth higher. We will come back to these later. But it's fifth higher than the first note of bracket 2. So this is our first note of bracket 2. It's going to be 5 steps higher. So we're going to count that note there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going line, space, line, space, line. So that's fifth higher. So I'm going to put, oh, can't do that. Got to use a minim.